In the world of photography and videography, few product launches generate as much anticipation as a next-generation hybrid camera. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III seeks to be that landmark device, combining cutting-edge still imaging capabilities with cinema-level video features, all wrapped in a rugged, versatile body. In this deep dive, we unpack every major enhancement, explore how it differentiates from its predecessors and rivals, and explain why it may truly be the ultimate camera upgrade. The EOS R6 Mark III is not just an evolution, it's a revolution in hybrid imaging. Let's break down what makes this camera a game changer. From the opening moment, the title itself makes a bold promise. The Canon R6 Mark III is the upgrade creators have been waiting for. It's not merely a next step, but a paradigm shift. Whether you're a seasoned professional, a serious enthusiast, or a content creator crossing over to pro workflow, the R6 Mark III aims to deliver one body that can excel in both high-end photography and cinematic video. Canon positions this model as bridging the gap between the EOS R6/R6 II and the ultra-high-end R5 series. It's meant to occupy the sweet spot, where performance, features, and practical usability converge, from capturing high-speed sports to shooting 8K raw video. Canon wants you to think of this as your only camera going forward. At the heart of the R6 Mark III is a newly engineered full-frame CMOS sensor, speculated to deliver 30-plus megapixels. This resolution strikes a balanced middle ground, high enough for demanding commercial work, yet still well-optimized for low-light performance. This shift is purposeful. The sensor is designed to offer greater pixel density than the R6 II, while avoiding the noise and thermal stress challenges of ultra-high megapixel sensors. The result is a hybrid that is equally credible for stills and cinematic capture. Driving that sensor is the Digic X Plus image processing powerhouse. This next-generation engine enables significantly faster readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and aggressive noise handling at high ISOs. It also fuels advanced machine learning algorithms that power intelligent autofocus, real-time subject recognition, and instantaneous scene analysis. Together, the Sensor Plus Digic X Plus combo gives Canon the headroom to support ultra-high burst rates, top-tier video codecs, and real-time computational imaging features. One of the R6 Mark III's most exciting features is its beast-like burst shooting. These rates make it extremely capable for action, wildlife, sports, and fast-paced event photography. The fast readout and buffer architecture allows sustained bursts without performance bottlenecks. Canon also improved the data pipeline to reduce buffer clearing delays, so you won't lose precious moments waiting for the camera to catch up. The R6 Mark III inherits and advances Canon's renowned dual-pixel CMOS AF system, now upgraded, e.g. AF3 spec, to incorporate AI-powered subject detection and tracking. This system can detect and follow a variety of subjects including. This expanded subject set helps ensure that regardless of your shooting niche, the camera has a deep understanding of what you're trying to capture. You will rarely lose focus on your goal subject, even in chaotic motion. Beyond static detection, Canon has woven in predictive tracking. The camera anticipates trajectory, speed, and subject behavior to maintain focus consistency through obstacles, rapid changes, or partial occlusion. One of the most crucial enhancements is in-body image stabilization, IBIS, up to 8+ stops. That magnitude of stabilization enables handheld shooting even in very low light scenarios, dramatically broadening what's possible without a tripod or gimbal. Furthermore, Canon has optimized the stabilization to synergize with lens-based stabilization when using compatible RF lenses, enabling multi-axis blended correction. In video mode, IBIS remains active, giving you smoother motion even on the move, perfect for run-and-gun or documentary-style shooting. For many creators, the video features are what elevate this camera above a typical stills machine. The R6 Mark III is clearly designed to address the demands of serious videographers and filmmakers. This camera offers 8K RAW video recording internally at 30 frames per second. That's a major step. Many hybrid cameras require external recorders or limit RAW capture to shorter bursts. The internal 8K RAW capability positions this body in the same league as cinema.